Hello, my dear students and respecting parents. Let us start our new academic year 2020 and 21 with our grand orientation day. First of all, let me inform you, parent. I hope you are having the question in your mind that what is orientation? So, orientation is all about the information about the school curriculum, where you can know your teachers, teaching methodology, how we are going to teach this year, parent-school contact, academic enrichment, extracurricular activities, or else the student life skills. Now, this year, as we are all suffering from the pandemic situation COVID-19, all the schools are running with the online education project. So here you can see the online education symbol that we have already started from 1st June. In the higher grade already we have started, as well as now also in lower grade we have started activities online. So let me inform you, this year we have started two types of methodology, means process of learning. We are having two types in this 2020 and 20 year, that online and offline schooling. As this time in present situation we have started online classes. First of all, our teacher uploaded the video on YouTube that you can see, and after 2 days YouTube पे जैसे वीडियो अपलोड होते हैं उसके 2 दिन बाद लाइव सेशन अरेंज किया जाता है. So on that online live session you can ask your doubts, you can ask your queries to the teachers, where the students are provided assignments, worksheets, PPT and regular assessment. In that live session, that parent also can interact with the teachers. Now, how we have delivered this educational system to the student? A student can't come in the school in this present situation. So we are coming to you by YouTube. हम आपके पास आएंगे YouTube के जरिए, जिसमें हमारे टीचर्स जो है वो वहां पे स्टडी करवाते हैं. बच्चे वो वीडियो कभी भी देख सकते हैं. Through the WhatsApp we are sending you the link and many information through WhatsApp that you can follow, जो आप follow कर सकते हो. And after you have seen the uploaded video on YouTube, after 2 days we have arranging the Zoom session, live session, in which parent as well as the student can ask the questions, they can solve their doubts and queries. And last one is regular classroom. Whenever government declare to open the school, definitely we will start our regular classrooms soon. Now, getting to know your teachers. So in this orientation or else in the live session, one of the teacher will inform you about your subject teachers. Now, as in pre-primary, we have decided to keep the Orient Black Swan book. So whenever book available, definitely school will call you or inform you through WhatsApp or phone call. Now the book set of pre-primary section, that school will inform you through WhatsApp or phone call, as I have informed you. Here you can see the front pages of the book that we are following Orient Black Swan. School uniform. Now let me inform you about the school uniform. Last year, whatever the school uniform was there, this year also the student has to follow the same uniform. Whenever the uniform will available there, definitely school will inform you soon. Then you have to buy the uniform. Almanac is the most important part of the school. Almanac बहुत ही important चीज है जिसमें पेरेंट डायरेक्टली स्कूल के टीचर से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. If you are not having time to come in the school, you can give your suggestion, you can write your queries in the almanac where teachers are solving that problem. Now planner. Last year we have provided planner as a book form, जो book form में दिया था. This year we decided to give you the planner in the form of calendar. इस पर आपको जो प्लानर मिलेगा वो कैलेंडर फॉर्म में होगा, जिसमें कई सारी एक्टिविटीज, सेलिब्रेशंस, हॉलीडेज, जो एक्टिविटीज कोई भी चीज है डेली टू डेली बेसिस, वो आपको प्लानर से देख के ही उसको फॉलो करना है. So finally, as government declared that we have to promote all the students to the next grade, so we have given the mass promotion to the students And that's why here I just wanted to congratulate all the students and welcome to the academic year 2020 and 21. Now, evaluation and assessment. This year we decided to take two types of evaluation. First one we will going to take in October and second one we will going to take in March month. Now learn and enjoy, as we are having the little stars kids, so we cannot keep them in the classroom. हम उनको classroom में ही बिठा के नहीं रख सकते. That's why we have arranged many kid fit program where students fitness we can observe here, जहाँ पे observe किया जाता है. Many of the games we provided them. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी games उनको provide की जाती है. Where here our teachers are developing life skills in students' life and communication power we will give to them. Learning while playing. So where we are giving them the chance to play in the school, they are playing, and by learning, खेलते खेलते सीखना हम जिसको कहते हैं. बहुत सारी गेम ऐसी होती है जिसमें कई सारी स्किल्स जो है वो डेवलप होती है स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में. Here we will provide that all the activities through which many skills develop or boost up in the student's life. Collaboration means PTM. In PTM, teachers and parent can connect to each other. एक दूसरे से मिल सकते हैं. Where parent can ask about the child's development, how she or he needs more in education, कितना ज्यादा और जरूरी है इम्प्रूवमेंट की. ये सारी चीजें जो क्वेश्चन है वो उनके टीचर से पूछ सकते हैं. So PTM is the way through which the parent can keep in touch with the teachers also. Student presentation program, where MS School provide the stage to the students. Might be this kind of activity might not happen in any of the school like us. जैसे कि हम करते हैं वैसे दूसरी स्कूल में शायद ना भी दी जाती हो. But here we provide the stage where students can overcome from the fear. वो वहां से जीत के आते हैं, डर को एक जीत में हासिल करके वो वापस आते हैं. Where we are giving them the communication skill where they can boost up their confidence level in them. Celebrations. In our school, many celebrations we have given to the students. We are not only celebrate these celebrations or festivals, but we are giving the information about it too. And our teachers are giving work on it too. That's why our students directly connect with our tradition and rituals also. Discipline is the most important thing in our school, जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Parent also want to make the child into a discipline. वो चाहते हैं कि वो भी discipline में रहे. That's why the first discipline step started from the school timing. All the parents are requesting to send their child on time. Let us now, you can see these many of the pictures over here. Learning combination, only learning or education we will not running here in our school. So we are doing many activities with the little stars, block activities, alphabetical activities, and writing skill, communication skill, role model skill. Many of the activities here we are giving to the students from where they can get the skill. Reward and recognition. So many of the activities in which students are doing their best, so must reward should be there. Reward तो होना ही चाहिए. But all the stars, all the students and all the kids are here who are winner for us, and definitely we are giving reward to all the students. Annual day celebration is the platform where we have to represent our school, as well as the students also showing that talent to their parents. पेरेंट उनके बच्चे के टैलेंट को उस टाइम पे देखते हैं जब एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेशन होता है. सो आवर MS रंगमंच this year will be in the February month. Annual sports day is the day where our all the students are engaging with the many of the games. जो हर एक सारी गेम में एंगेज होते हैं, जो पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, where student has to keep their fitness power, जहाँ पे उनको फिटनेस का भी ध्यान रखना होता है. This year we are arranging this annual sport day in December month. Transportation facility available here in MS School. So many of the question might be in your mind. So for more question you can call to the admin. If you are having the number you can call to the school. Now soon we will provide you the school number. Bus system here we are having. Bus system है, magic है. According to your child's age you can call to the school. School will inform you about the transportation. Now this is the thing here we are providing you through which you can connect to the school. WhatsApp number here, single number you are giving, so you can call to the school through this number. Second is email, and third is website ID. So all the information I hope you will get clearly. So thank you very much.